Hey, how are you today? So, do you ever get confused why you wanted to use the front facing camera, like the selfie camera, or the back facing camera? That's a question we're going to answer in this video.
All right.
Hey, I'm Weezy, and I help people just like you use your smartphone to shoot better quality videos. Or just, you know what? It doesn't even have to be better quality, but just shoot video. That is my message. Use video, use your smartphone, and get out there. Let people see who you are. So, in so let's get started. Let's dig in. So, here's our little handy dandy cell phone. So, here's our cell phone. Yes, I've got so much light, it's blinding mine out. Um, so your front facing camera, you look right here. And then if you shoot like this, you shoot like this using these lenses, well, you're going to see what you see here on your screen, but it's going to be on the other side. I hope that makes sense. I know it makes sense. So if you're here and you're just talking like this into this camera, the footage is not going to be as clear as you can see in the example. But if you shoot from, I've got to get it right here, this lens, it's going to look a lot better. Just saying. It comes out clearer and crisper. So it's up to you. Now, I was just having this conversation with somebody. She said, "Well, if I'm taking video of myself, I kind of like it a little fuzzy. I like the fuzzy." So what one's better? It doesn't really matter. It's up to your eye. If your audience doesn't like it, they'll let you know. But you know what? In this day and age, most people just look, unless they are really picky, particular, they really don't care. They're just happy you show up. They're happy to see your video. And this goes if you are shooting a TikTok or a Reels, go ahead, put it on a tripod, stand behind it, and talk to it. You'll figure it out. Do a couple test shots, see where your head is, see what your location is. But anyways, you're going to figure it out. It's called experimenting because that's what it all is. You get better with each experiment that you perform. And as I say often, we walk forward in our imperfections, and then in our imperfections, we get clarity. So that's all I have for today. Oh, yeah. There's all that other stuff I'm supposed to say. So if you like the content that you see here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and share my videos to other people who you think would like this content. And that's it. That's Wheezy. And if you have questions about video or you would like to work with me, go down and click, look on my website. You can connect with me there. And I look forward to seeing you. Bye.